Hey there, today I will review PerceptPixel tool. The good news is this tool is currently available on appsumo platform. They provide lifetime deal only $39. The regular price is $120. If you want to get lifetime access, don't forget to check out my description box. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will show you today. At first, I will explain what is PerceptPixel. Then I will show you who is the founder of PerceptPixel. Then I will explain PerceptPixel features, pricing plan, pros and cons, and overall why we choose PerceptPixel. Hey there, it's Sapek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that will help your business. So guys, let's dive in. So guys, what is PerceptPixel? Guys, PerceptPixel is a full stack image management, storage and content delivery network CDN that helps you create web optimized image. Guys, stop losing the visitor to executing load time. PerceptPixel lets you create and upload image to a CDN with 192 points of presence. That means you will be able to offer fast loading experience no matter where your site visitors are based. No design experience. Good thing this tool lets you transform and optimize any image with one click. With one click, you can remove any image background and auto upload the new file to the CDN. PerceptPixel lets you replace any image background, cutting down expensive retakes. They also provide auto-generate caption and text from your image right as you upload them. Make image easy to find later with auto text. PerceptPixel lets you optimize, resize and edit your image so you can speed up your site's load time and keep your visitor coming back for more. Make your image lighting fast. Get lifetime access to PerceptPixel. Who is the founder of PerceptPixel? Kaushik is founder of this tool. PerceptPixel features. They provide fast CDN delivery, image resizing, image formatting, conditional statement, and they also provide auto caption and auto tag image. You can easily remove your image background with this tool. Let's see guys how it works. But you should upload your image. Yeah, now we see how they remove this image, how they remove background. Can you see guys, just one click this tool easily remove background image. Also provide custom size. You can choose your custom size or 16:9 or 4:3 or 9:16. Let's see this. You can try 9:16 or you can try 4:3. Also they provide caption generator. You can write your caption or they provide generate text. They provide format option. You can download this image PNG, web, JPG, auto. Also they provide effects. You can edit your effect. Or they provide quality, best, good, eco. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand how it works. PerceptPixel pricing plan. Guys, they provide three license tier. They provide license tier 3 plan. License tier 1, you will pay $39 one-time purchase. All features above included. Only one user use this plan. 5 GB bandwidth per month. They provide 2 GB storage included. Unlimited background removal transformation. When you choose license tier 2, you will pay $139 one-time purchase. 5 users use this plan. 50 GB bandwidth per month. They provide 10 GB storage included this plan. Unlimited background removal transformation. Also they provide automated image analysis reports. When you choose license tier 3, you will pay $299 one-time purchase. 10 users use this plan and 200 GB bandwidth per month. Provide 100 GB storage included. Unlimited background removal. Also they provide automated image analysis reports. You will easily find this tool in my description box. PerceptPixel pros. It's easy to use. You can easily use this tool guys. It's super fast. It's alternative to Cloudinary. They provide 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't like this tool, you can easily refund your money. It's affordable price. PerceptPixel con. I have not found any issue on this tool. Nice. That is the pros and cons PerceptPixel tools. Why we choose PerceptPixel? Guys, if you are a blogger, e-commerce owner, web designer, I think this tool is perfect for you. You can easily optimize, edit and store image just one click with this tool. You will easily find this lifetime access in my description box. Don't forget to share your opinion. This video is helpful for you or not. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So bye guys.